Welcome back for another job here. We're doing a concrete patio here, and if you're wondering, yes, that is 40 bags of concrete, 80-pound in the back of that truck, and it is a Ford F-150. It barely handled it, but it squeaked all the way here from Lowe's, and, well, so far, so good. But today I'm going to be in two parts, actually, video. This first part, I'm doing a 7x15 rectangle of concrete, and then I'll come back and do another 7x15 right next to it, because, well, it's going to take about 40 bags each, and it's a lot of concrete to mix up. And it takes a while to do that, so I don't want to make sure I got it finished properly. So I'm just going to do one of these sections at a time here. But it takes about 40 bags, just doing a good old-fashioned hand mixing technique here, which is using your hands to mix the concrete. Doing about 2 or 3 bags at a time, and I'm trying to make this first couple batches here just a little soupier, a little more wet, because it gives me plenty of time. By the way I get to the end, it'll be easy to kind of give a proper finish across the whole top here. So as you're watching me painstakingly mix all these bags together, you'll enjoy this piece of concrete coming together quite smoothly and easily. Now, it's not that difficult to do this type of job. It is wintertime. The grass isn't really green yet, so I didn't really worry too much about getting all the grass out to trap in that moisture or anything. And so we're just going to slap some concrete together here and just make sure we smooth it out with a 2x4, 2x6 first to give initial smoothness, and I'll come back with the trowel and actually give a proper, nice, smooth finish. But it's real simple to do concrete. It may look like it's difficult, but it's really not. The technique is just slightly smoothing across, but actually this technique, after I smoothed it, we went back with actually a broom to kind of give a rough finish. This is going to be like a deck for like having a smoke or a grill on, and so they wanted more of a grip on it. And so although after I got it all nice and smooth and pretty, kind of a change of plans, we'll come back with a broom and give it a nice good finish here. And if you notice, maybe a little soupy there at the end, but that's fine. It just gives it a little more of a rough finish, which is what we're looking for, and just give a nice round over edge here to make it look pretty.